For years, we've been told that if you want truly youthful, radiant skin, there's one undisputed champion, retinol. It's the ingredient dermatologists swear by, the one everyone talks about for wrinkles, fine lines, and texture. But what if I told you they've been missing something? What if the real #1 ingredient for youthful skin isn't retinol at all? Now, don't get me wrong, retinol is powerful, it does work. It speeds up cell turnover, helps reduce wrinkles, refines pores, and stimulates collagen production. It's a workhorse, and for many, it's been a game changer. But here's the thing, retinol primarily focuses on accelerating your skin's natural processes, and sometimes it comes with a catch irritation, dryness, and that tricky purging phase. What if we could go beyond just accelerating existing processes? What if we could actually rebuild the very structure of youthful skin? That's where the true #1 ingredient comes in. It's part of a revolutionary movement called Regenerative Beauty. And the ingredients leading this charge are exosomes and salmon DNA. You might be hearing these terms more and more, and for good reason. This isn't just a trend, it's the future of how we approach anti-aging. So how do these work, and why are they potentially more impactful than retinol for true youthfulness? Think of it this way. Retinol is like a great coach pushing your existing team, your skin cells, to perform better and faster. But exosomes and salmon DNA are like bringing in new, highly specialized builders to repair and reconstruct the entire stadium, your skin structure, from the ground up. Exosomes are tiny messengers released by cells. They carry vital proteins, lipids, and genetic material that tell other cells how to function, how to repair, and how to regenerate. When applied to the skin, they communicate with your skin cells, encouraging them to produce more collagen and elastin, the building blocks of firm, supple skin. And to heal more effectively, it's about optimizing your skin's natural healing and renewal capabilities from within. And salmon DNA, found in treatments like Rejurin, uses polynucleotides that are incredibly similar to human DNA. This biocompatibility means your skin recognizes and utilizes them to stimulate its own repair mechanisms, improve elasticity, and restore lost structure. It's not just about surface level changes, it's about enhancing your skin's natural quality and resilience for the long term. What does this mean for your skin? It means true recovery. Instead of just managing symptoms, you're actively rebuilding lost skin structure for long-term resilience. Natural enhancement. It works with your body to enhance your skin's natural quality, leading to a more authentic, youthful appearance without visibly altering your facial features. Improved skin quality. Expect better elasticity, firmness, and an overall healthier, more vibrant complexion that radiates youth from within. Less irritation. Unlike the initial sensitivity often associated with retinol, these regenerative approaches are generally well tolerated, focusing on gentle yet profound repair. This is a shift from simply preventing further damage or accelerating existing processes to actively restoring and regenerating your skin at a foundational level. So how can you tap into this revolutionary approach? While exosome and salmon DNA treatments are often found in professional settings, the beauty industry is rapidly innovating. We're seeing more and more consumer products incorporating these advanced biotechnologies. Look for serums and treatments that specifically mention exosomes, polynucleotides, or salmon DNA in their ingredient lists. Retinol will always have a place in a great skincare routine. It's proven, powerful, and effective. But the future of truly youthful skin is moving towards something even deeper: regeneration. It's no longer just about speeding up cell turnover, it's about rebuilding, restoring, and enhancing your skin structure from within. If you're ready to complement your routine with the next generation of science-backed actives, exosomes and salmon DNA are the ones to watch. If you found this surprising and insightful, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and let me know in the comments, what's your go-to anti-aging ingredient, and are you ready to try something new?